Have you ever wondered how to grow a YouTube channel from scratch? This is a question that nags many, and today we're about to unravel the answer. This video will serve as your guide, illuminating the path from a blank slate to a thriving YouTube channel. We'll delve into the nitty-gritty of setting up, optimizing your channel, and most importantly, understanding the YouTube algorithm. Yes, you heard it right. The YouTube algorithm, often shrouded in mystery, is a key player in your journey. Unraveling its complexities can unlock the door to exponential growth. We'll demystify this algorithm, breaking it down into easily digestible bits, and demonstrate how you can leverage it to propel your channel forward. Whether you're a novice with a burning desire to start your own channel, or an existing creator looking to boost your subscriber count, this video is for you. So, if you're ready to turn your YouTube dreams into reality, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to understand the basics of YouTube. It's like learning to ride a bike. You can't just hop on and expect to win the Tour de France. You start by understanding how the bike works, how to balance, and how to pedal. Similarly, in the world of YouTube, there are a few foundational aspects you need to get a grip on. First off, you need a clear channel concept. What's your channel going to be about? Gaming, cooking, fitness? It's essential to choose a niche that you're passionate about. You want to be excited about your content because that enthusiasm will shine through to your viewers. Think of your channel as a television station. If a station randomly broadcasts sports, news, cartoons, and cooking shows, it can be confusing for viewers. They won't know what to expect. But if a station consistently offers quality content in a specific genre, viewers will keep coming back for more. Next up is identifying your target audience. Who are the people you're making content for? Are they teenagers interested in the latest video games, or are they busy parents looking for quick and healthy meal ideas? Understanding your audience helps you tailor your content to their interests, increasing the likelihood they'll subscribe to your channel and regularly watch your videos. Now let's talk about quality. Quality doesn't necessarily mean you need a high-end camera and a professional editing team. It's more about the substance of your content. Are you offering valuable information? Are you entertaining? Are your videos visually appealing? These are all aspects of quality that can make or break a YouTube channel. Last but not least, we have consistency and patience. YouTube isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Consistently uploading new content keeps your audience engaged and gives the YouTube algorithm more opportunities to put your videos in front of potential new viewers. And patience? Well, growth doesn't happen overnight. It takes time for your content to gain traction, for people to find your videos, and for your subscriber count to climb. Remember, a successful YouTube channel isn't built overnight. It requires time, effort, and a lot of patience. Now that we've covered the basics, let's move on to optimizing your channel. Imagine your YouTube channel as a storefront. What's the first thing you notice when you walk into a store? It's probably the layout, right? The same principle applies to your YouTube channel. An attractive layout can make a world of difference. It's your first opportunity to make a strong impression. Be sure to organize your videos into playlists and feature your best content on your channel's homepage. Remember, your goal is to make your content easily accessible and enticing to your potential viewers. But it's not just about aesthetics. You also need to consider the words you use. An engaging channel description can pique curiosity and draw viewers in. It's your chance to tell viewers what your channel is all about. Be concise, clear, and catchy. Don't forget to sprinkle in relevant keywords. They'll help your channel show up in search results. Speaking of search results, let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO is the secret sauce that makes your channel and videos more discoverable. It's all about using the right keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. But remember, don't just stuff keywords randomly. They need to be relevant and make sense in the context. Now let's talk about channel trailers. A compelling channel trailer is like a movie trailer. It gives your audience a sneak peek of what to expect. It's your chance to hook viewers and convince them to hit that subscribe button. Make it short, engaging, and representative of your content. By optimizing these elements, you're not just making your channel look good, you're making it easier for viewers to find and engage with your content. You're creating an environment that encourages viewers to stick around, explore, and hopefully become loyal subscribers. By optimizing your channel, you make it easier for viewers to find and engage with your content. Alright, let's talk about the YouTube algorithm. It's a term you've probably heard thrown around a lot, but what does it actually mean? Well, in the simplest terms, the YouTube algorithm is a complex system that YouTube uses to sort and deliver videos to viewers. It's a bit like a matchmaker, working tirelessly in the background to pair viewers with the videos they'll enjoy the most. Now, the YouTube algorithm isn't some mystical, unknowable entity. It's actually quite logical. It prioritizes three main elements: watch time, engagement, and recency of upload. First up, watch time. This is the total amount of time that viewers spend watching your videos. It doesn't just count the initial click, but how long viewers stay and watch. The longer your viewers stick around, the more the algorithm likes you. It's YouTube's way of saying, hey, people are really into this content, let's show it to more folks. Next, we have engagement. This is all about how viewers interact with your videos. Likes, shares, comments, even saving a video to a playlist. These are all forms of engagement that the algorithm takes into account. If a viewer is motivated to interact with your content, it's a strong signal to the algorithm that your video is valuable and interesting. And finally, recency of upload. The YouTube algorithm favors fresh content. Regularly uploading new videos can help keep your channel in the algorithm's good graces. It's like a bakery always having fresh bread. The algorithm wants to serve the freshest, most relevant content to viewers. So, there you have it. The YouTube algorithm isn't some insurmountable mountain. It's a system designed to connect viewers with content they'll love. And by understanding how it works, you can create content that resonates with your audience and the algorithm. Understanding the YouTube algorithm is essential for growing your channel. The algorithm rewards creators who keep viewers on the platform longer and engage with their content. Now that you understand the YouTube algorithm, let's discuss how to use it to your advantage. This intricate system is more than just a complex piece of code. It's a tool that, when used correctly, can help your channel grow exponentially. One strategy to consider is increasing watch time. Remember, the longer viewers stay on your content, the more valuable it appears to the algorithm. A clever way to do this is by creating playlists. Grouping related videos into a playlist not only keeps viewers engaged, but also encourages them to watch more of your content. And here's a pro tip. Make sure your playlists have compelling names to attract viewers. Another tactic to extend your watch time is using end screens. These are the clickable links you see at the end of a video that direct viewers to more of your content. It's like a gentle nudge, a persuasive invitation to watch just one more video. And trust me, those extra minutes count. Producing longer videos can also help. While it's crucial to maintain quality, longer videos naturally accumulate more watch time. But remember to keep your content engaging throughout, or you risk losing your audience's interest. Now let's talk about boosting engagement. Engagement signals like comments, likes, and shares are vital to making the algorithm work in your favor. So, don't be shy to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for likes and shares, and encourage viewers to subscribe. Building a community around your channel can translate into higher engagement rates. When viewers feel connected to your content, they're more likely to interact, and every interaction sends a positive signal to the algorithm. Remember, the YouTube algorithm is designed to promote content that viewers find engaging. So, make it your mission to create content that not only attracts viewers but also keeps them coming back for more. By leveraging the YouTube algorithm, you can increase your visibility on the platform and attract more viewers to your channel. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to growing your YouTube channel from scratch. We've traversed the basics, from understanding the importance of a well-optimized channel to the power of quality content. We've explored the complex yet fascinating world of the YouTube algorithm, revealing how it can become your unseen ally in this journey. Remember, patience is key, overnight success is rare, and it's the consistent effort, the careful planning, the attention to detail, and the relentless pursuit of uniqueness that often paves the way to growth. It's a journey of learning, adapting, and growing. And with the right strategies, it's entirely possible. Don't be disheartened by initial slow progress because every giant tree starts as a tiny seed. Embrace the process, stay committed to your vision, and keep leveraging the YouTube algorithm to your advantage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, your YouTube success story starts here.